Hey guys, today, me and my dad, that was just a leaf, okay. Me and my dad, we went to the store, what am I talking about? What did we go? Oh yeah, so we went on a website, and we looked up vending machines, okay? We were looking for vending machines, and we got some good deals. So, we got 3 things. They're good vending machines. They're not like ones that you see in stores, but they're awesome. And whoa, I almost dropped the tablet. Okay, so, they're not ones that you see in stores, but we're gonna put them in stores, and they're gonna get 8% of what we make from them. And every week we're gonna go back to those stores, and we're going to collect the money. So that's gonna be cool. So first off is these 2. Here, 1 second. Okay, first off is this one. So it dispenses foam balls. All of these is 50 cents. Okay, got that one. And this one, which dispenses all different kinds of miniature guns. We got both of these for 60 bucks, okay? So, both of those, 60 bucks. Then, the snack dispenser right below them. Yeah. This one's pretty cool. So, first, look, right here. Oh, I forgot how to open this. Oh yeah, so you go like that, and then you put your money in that, right on the top, and you push it back in, and you just twist, and then you do that. And then we have keys to open it, and the money just sits off the bottom of it, and then you could just get your snack right here. Oh wait, and these are like, here's the key right at the bottom, and other attachments that you might need if it breaks or something. Ow, I just got my finger stuck. Ow, that hurt. So I wish I could show you what's inside, but like, those are, you put the snacks all lined up. You can adjust the springs. That's what's in this box. The springs and this box. Okay, yeah. I just don't want to show you because it's hard to package back up, but I'm actually gonna you know what, guys? Okay, guys, I'm back, and this.
Hi.
This is what it looks like inside the top of it. Better view. And show them where the coins go. Right here. That part. Alright, do you have to open all of them?
Go ahead.
No, this, like, inside
Honey,
that,
this
where
is
the
where
coins,
the coins go.
No, like, where they drop.
Okay, we're opening it.
Yeah. It's hard. Oh, that's why I couldn't. He said it was hard, so we're gonna have to learn how to do it because, you know, we're gonna create a business with this. So try grabbing right here. Oh, there we go. So I guess you just lift it up.
Okay, show them.
Okay. So that's where all the That's where all the coins go, right there. It just drops down, put them in there, and then we haven't even tried it yet. We haven't tried this one, but we tried the other ones over there. By the way, it's the next day. That's why I'm wearing a Broncos shirt, because we couldn't do it yesterday. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys of our new vending machines. So yeah.